This is Tuesday, December the 17th, 2024. Current time is just after 5 o'clock in the PM, Eastern Standard Time. It feels like so many Tuesdays my accuracy is a bit higher than on any other day of the week. I'll just go over the gist of it. It repeats just so much. What I had mapped off for potential bottom is 26.45. What I had mapped off, or what I had marked off for my alert to go off today was 26.45.70. I think I was off by just a couple cents, about 40 cents. Yeah, off about 40 cents on my alert and off $1.10 on what I thought the actual bottom would be, or at least algorithmically what would happen on the day, and with high accuracy. Again, I hate to speculate exactly when I would take a position. I would know that I would know well, anyway, whatever. If it happened to come down to exactly what I thought it would today, and bounce off of that perfectly, and then had nothing but buy volume, and my other indicator showed up as being positive, then, and if I sat through that the whole day, I assume the anchored VWAP is what actually made resistance. It probably was a little bit lower at that time of the day, but I mean $19.30, I ain't too awful bad. On a day, I know I wouldn't realistically catch every bit of that. Yes, I could be bullish whenever my setup lined up, and then take profit, and then wait for a better entry, then get back into it. I could have made that $2,000 profit into a whole lot more. Or if you overtrade, then you'll make that $2,000 profit a whole lot less than what you think it would. But it hadn't hit the statistical mean on the day yet, which is 26.67. So, I mean, it can still technically kind of hit that, but who the hell knows? And I'm going to do some other stuff around the house and come back to this and finish this off. Oh, the likelihood of calling it 2 days in a row. This is a 5-minute chart, not the 1 minute. So it looks a little bit different. The chance of calling it 2 days in a row is usually pretty slim to none. Looks like after 40 days of not having any nicotine, I'd quit coughing so much. The chance of calling it 2 days in a row or being close to being accurate is relatively small. And tomorrow, I mean, it does have potential for almost a 50-point move, so that's $5,000 from top to bottom if it happens to do every bit of that with one contract. And there's my alarm. And anyway, again, like 6 p.m. is never ideal time to think about taking a trade right now. It's looking bullish, but the gravitational point is 26.59.50 right now for this evening and tomorrow. That is a previous high level or low level also, so that may try to make some resistance. It's two levels that kind of line up. I probably need to move this one down a little bit. Move to about right there. Since it didn't actually technically go off today, it's close. That's negative 2 deviation from the anchor VWAP on 5-minute 5-day chart, so that's not too shabby either of a position or possible spot to look at and possibly try to get into position there for potential long. Again, like the quicker that you'll take profit, the more likely that you'll be right. If you hold for the gusto, the accuracy goes down substantially. The way I look at it is the gravitational point is usually the gravitational point. If it's all looking good and all holding up well, and like all your metrics and all that other stuff that you base your trade off of, if that's all doing well and fine, then the halfway point is like one of your best opportunities. Then after that, you got to be really expecting to take profit very quickly and don't let it dip below that, because then you'll be losing more profit than an average. Anyway, I talked too damn much on this. Nobody. I think what I'm going to start doing is just saying, like, here's the bottom, here's the top, or here's a better entry and here's a better short entry. I need to say it like that, not like here's the bottom, here's the top, because it's not always like that. Alright, hope you're happy, health, well, goodbye.